Hello, this is Chris from Pathetic, and on this video we are going to learn how to create a price table using the Elementor page builder and the Elementor Essential Addons plugin. First, we need to go to the left bar where it says plugins. We are going to click on add new, and then on the top search bar we are going to type Elementor Add-ons. This is the one, and we are going to click on install now. This is a plugin that will add some extra and extremely useful widgets to Elementor. Among them is the price table. So we are going to click on activate, and then we are going to pages, all the pages, and we are going to select the page where we want to add our price table. In this case we are going to use the home page, and we are going to click on edit with Elementor. Here we are on the Elementor dashboard once more. We are going to scroll down to an open section, and on the widget search bar on the top left we are going to type price, and you will look pricing table from the essential add-ons for Elementor. We are going to click, hold, drag, and release on the open section. As you can see, it loads a little template here, and we are going to start with the settings, and we can select two styles, the default and the pricing style 2, and the 3 and 4 style is for the pro version of the essential add-ons for Elementor. We're going to take a look to the styling price 2, and it looks pretty good. We are going to use this one. So we can change the title here, and we are going to name it price list, price table, and a tagline here. We are going to leave that as it is, and we can select an icon for our icon library. We are going to choose the champ right here, and we are going to click and insert it here. So we are going to close the settings, and we are going to move on to the price. So the price will be 99 on the file, so we are going to make it $5, and on sale we are going to add we are going to make it on a discount from 6, maybe 4 and 5, and we can change the price currency. We're going to leave it as it is, and we can select the position of the currency price, left or right, and it could be a month, or we're going to make it generously a year. So, and we can also change the separator if we want. We are going to use the slash. So we are going to move on to features, and here we can select the type of things we can offer on our price table. We can add some new items to the pricing table list. We can select the icon in the check symbol. We can activate or deactivate, select the color of the icon, and enable the tooltip. I am an Amazon tooltip, and we can select the alignments if it hovers like this, and the animation and the duration and the tooltip arrow if we want it to show. And a theme we can select. I like to see this one. And then we are going to click on add item to our list, and here it is. There it is. Then we are going to close the features and we are going to move on the footer. In this case is the button, and we can select an icon for our button. We can choose this. We're going to add this completely unnecessary cycle and click on insert, and it looks good. We can change the text of the button to wherever we want. We're going to go with the classics and put button, and we can select a link and select if we want it to open on a new window or in the same window. And for the ribbon, oh, that's nice. We can select style to feature and style 3. Oh, I like the style, so we are going to go with this one. Looks incredibly good. So we are going to move over to the side. We can change the background of our pricing table. So we are going to leave that white. We can add some padding and matching borders and select the alignment of the content and of the buttons. We are going to leave those center, and we are going to move on to the header, and we can select the background color is faded green. We can select the color of the title. We are going to use maybe this blue here. The typography, we can change the family, the size, make it a little bit bigger, maybe 50px, and we can change the weight as we want, and the transform the text, select it, the style we're going to use italic, and we can add some underline, overline, or line through the line height and the letter spacing if we want. And for the subtitle, we can also change it to blue and change the typography on the same manner. Same goes for the pricing. As you can see, we can change the color of the original price, and we're going to leave it as a default. It looks good. The color of the sale price too, if we want. Select a green, maybe a blue. As a blue, yeah, it looks good. They change the color of the currency and the typography, add some margin to it, and the pricing too can be changed on this manner. Solution for the year 2. So we are going to move over to the feature list, and we are going to change it here and disable the item color. Disable item color. We don't have any disable, so it's not going to show, so we are going to leave it clear. We can change the typography on the same manner, and with the ribbon we can do the same. We are going to make it bigger, and we can change the color of the font and of the background like this. And the tooltip, which is this one, we can change the background. We're going to leave that blue, the color of the arrow, and the text padding we can add some border and the tooltip arrow size. So we are going to move next into the icon setting. We can show or not if we want the background. In this case, we can add a hover to it, blue, and white pixel. Ooh. And we are going to make this one maybe inverted like this, and we are going to add a border solid 1 pixel on the hover that is blue and green on that looks awesome. We can also change the size of the icon, the area width. We're going to turn back the height 80 and the alignment of the icon. If we want it, we're going to leave those center like they were on the default, and we are going to move into the bottom. We can add padding, margin, typography, color of the text, border type, and box chart. So we are going to add a border 1px of the same green as or close. Now we are going to select and copy the color code by holding the left control and pressing C, and we are going to paste it by holding the left control and pressing B minus like this. So we are going to change the hover, and for the text color we are going to paste that same green. Yes, and for the background we are going to choose a white, and for the border we are going to choose the same green as in the other. Looks pretty good. So we have finished configuring our price table. So we are going to save those changes by going to the lower left, clicking on the update button. So those changes are saved, and we have created our price table using the Elementor page builder and the essential add-ons for Element plugins in a quick, easy, and I must say it looks quite good. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Paletech.